In a new location here. Not really, but usually fly over there. But I saw there were some deer out back there earlier, so I decided I was just gonna hang out front here instead. And mainly, I'm only flying because I put some foam on the microphones on the camera, and I'm seeing if it helps with wind noise. So, gusting to 7 or 8 miles an hour, apparently. So, should be a decent wind to try it in. I'll fly the MXS-C and see how that goes. Certainly, I'm not used to flying here, that's for sure. Trees around everywhere here. And the window, oh, tears are, my eyes are watering in the wind. Fly down there. I'm not used to flying below myself. Never done that before, I think so. I've always flown with the plane being above me, or at the same level kind of thing. Never 10 foot below. That's something different. Ooh. See if I can go around. Oh, it's so weird. That wind is blowing. It's so weird. I can't see the ground. Being above is weird. I don't know if those deer are here anymore. They were here just a few minutes ago. I don't know. I think they took off. So I'll just fly down here. More even level. See? Deer poop. Yeah, that was weird flying with the ground way below. It's just a perspective I'm not used to flying in. Confusing perspective. I'm used to having the ground, below me a little bit and the plane above me. Having the plane be several feet below me, that was just kind of odd. It's gusty down here. Very turbulent. Biggest problem here is just seeing the trees though. Ooh, they're hard to see. So yeah, combined wind with invisible trees. It's not a good combination. Especially when the eyes keep watering. I think I can be able to fly without sunglasses, which, well, I guess sunglasses I can fly without, but I should have brought my yellow wind glasses. It would certainly been better. Huh. The wind had different plants there. Ah. I started hesitating as to what to do, and I was like, well, I'll try that. And I didn't have enough altitude to do it. But that's why I fly this plane, because I can do that stuff and not worry about it. Not at all have to worry about it. It takes a pretty good hit for this plane to take any damage, and even when it does, it just keeps flying anyway. You can do it later. Seconds. Ah, wind. Come on, wind. It's changing on me now. For a brief moment. All right.